Hi guys, this is Stuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 4 of Stuti Speaks. And today I have a very beautiful guest with me whose name is Lisa. Lisa Gupta, I saw your profile in one of the reels. And मेरा ऐसा कुछ है नहीं मतलब I go like scroll and sometimes intuitionally I feel like connecting to somebody. Maybe like कुछ भी बोलो डिवाइन गाइडेंस चैनलिंग या कनेक्ट तो सोल ट्राइब कुछ होगा जो भी सो आई कनेक्टेड एंड आई मैसेज यू के यार पॉडकास्ट करते हैं एंड ग्लैड यू सेड यस सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट I saw your Instagram as well. You are a holistic healer and कुछ और modalities में भी you also do those as well. तो एक काम करो थोड़ा सा intro दे दो मेरे को मेरे guest को अपने बारे में and then we can talk from there.
Okay, first of all, thanks for having me here. And I'm so glad when you said that, एक वो intuition आई that, you should connect with me. So I'm definitely sure that it's all in alignment with the universe. And about what I do, of course, I'm a tarot counselor. I'm a holistic therapist as well, and I'm into Reiki. So I'm a Reiki grandmaster where I teach Reiki to other people. And yes, definitely, I'm on a soul journey, self discovery. So that is it.
ओके दैट्स ग्रेट थैंक यू सो मच सो लीजा क्या जब हम बात कर रहे थे सो वी वर थिंकिंग टू टॉक अबाउट रिलेशनशिप सो आई
Yeah.
मीन यू कैन गिव योर इनसाइट्स आई मीन वी कैन talk deep into it. I also love to talk about these kinds of topic. So I mean up to you how you want to proceed ahead.
It's up to you. You
Okay.
take the lead.
Okay. So, I mean, do you believe in contracts and soulmates or something like that? How do you define relationship in your life?
Of course, I do believe in contracts, and mainly it's like there are two kinds of relationships. One is which is based on contracts. So I feel that 80 to 90% of people are together so that they can fulfill certain karmas जो वो पिछले जन्म से लेके आ रहे हैं जो वो past life से लेके आ रहे हैं and rest 10 to 20% are the people who are actually being able to find love in their life, and that is through self work, that is through their spiritual journey, and finally when they are ready they are going to meet their partner. So वहाँ पे कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होगा, वहाँ पे बस प्यार होगा, and that is it.
ओके ये तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग आई मीन मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट लग रहा है टू टॉक अबाउट ऑब्वियसली आई हैव माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस एज वेल बट डोंट यू थिंक I mean, I have been through contracts and then my journey unfolded to meeting soulmates. And there are other terms of eternal love, something like twin flame as well.
Hmm.
We'll go one by one. I would want to know about your I mean, your thoughts about those soulmate twin flames. But I feel like many of your life actually, when you are blaming contracts for everything which is not happening into your life, is actually when they are pushing you one step forward to your inner work, to your internal journey. So
Absolutely.
throughout your life, like for me also, I would जितनी बार मैं उनको blame कर रही थी, जितनी बार मैं अपने contracts को ये सोच रही थी कि why are things not working for me, why are these people like that, they were just pushing me one step forward to my ultimate goal. People call that twin flame, people call that many other things as well. But
Yeah.
I eventually reflected back and realized it was more or less an inner work journey to finding myself. And then everything aligned, and obviously when you become love, everything that surround you is love. Like when you vibrate on 500, if you know the energy chart perspective, then everything around is love. So now share your perspective on details like about contractual things, soulmates, and what are your thoughts about things like twin flame or eternal journeys?
Okay, so firstly, I completely agree with you, and I really acknowledge what you believe in, which is eventually आप अपनी self love की journey पे ही जाओगे, आप अपनी inner work की journey पे ही जाओगे. But see, the contracts, one of the reasons why contracts are appearing is also because, let's say, that you meet your partner, okay, and you get to marry the person as well. Now with romantic relationship is the way that partner will mirror you, nobody else can. So that is the biggest power, or it can be the biggest drawback of a romantic relationship, because वो romantic relationship आपका best भी लेके आता है बाहर and आपका worst भी लेके आता है. So you
So
see
true.
yourself through that person. Now, जैसे जैसे आपकी सेल्फ वर्क की जर्नी आगे बढ़ती है, कुछ लोगों के लिए इट विल टेक एन एंटायर लाइफ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड देमसेल्व्स. And
So
the
true.
reason why people are not being able to um, understand this journey is because they are blaming everything. मेरे साथ
So
क्यों
true.
हुआ, मेरे को कैसा बंदा मिल गया, मुझे कैसी बंदी मिल गई, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. बट दे फॉरगेट दैट यूनिवर्स इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू, आई थिंक हिंदू कॉन्सेप्ट में पूरा जो कॉन्सेप्ट है मैरिज का वो है ही इसलिए, बिकॉज आई फील कि भगवान को कहीं ना कहीं पता था कि ये लोग वैसे तो सेल्फ वर्क करने नहीं वाले हैं, तो मैं इनको उन पार्टनरशिप्स में डालता हूँ जहाँ पे दे आर गोइंग टू मिरर ईच अदर.
I would like to, sorry, मैं आपको कट
या
कर रही हूँ, हम इस पे इसी से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. I have seen lot of marriages around me. I feel 90, 85, 85 to 90% marriages are contracts only. Do you believe the same?
एब्सोल्युटली यस, एब्सोल्युटली
Hmm.
आई डू. एंड बस फर्क ये है कि कुछ लोग रियलाइज कर लेते हैं दैट इट्स अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सम पीपल आर स्टिल इन दैट इग्नोरेंस. उनको अभी
So
भी
true.
ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं, मतलब उनको आई डोंट नो उनको क्या लगता है, बट डेफिनेटली एक इग्नोरेंस तो है ही जहाँ पे दे आर नॉट वांटिंग टू वर्क ऑन देमसेल्व्स. तो वो एक कांस्टेंट एक दूसरे के ऊपर ब्लेमिंग होती है, कांस्टेंट प्रेशर होता है एक दूसरे के ऊपर, विच इज व्हाई दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विद देमसेल्व्स और इन द रिलेशनशिप आल्सो.
So true. Right. I agree. So, uh, for me also, like ये जो आपने mirroring वाला concept बोला, in my past relationship with my ex boyfriends or whatever, I never knew the mirroring concept, right,
Yeah.
until
Yeah.
I until up to when I was on my spiritual path. Then I got to know, obviously they were mirroring me and I was constantly blaming them. So पॉइंट इज दैट कि आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगी काफ़ी सालों तक. मतलब फॉर मी इट वाज काफ़ी सालों तक. यू कुड
Hmm.
बी यंगर, आपको तो हो सकता है थोड़ा कम टाइम लगाओ. आई
Hmm.
वाज इनटू लेटर फेजेस ऑफ माय लाइफ. तो टू पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू अस, फर्स्टली थोड़ा सा मिरर कॉन्सेप्ट समझा दो, क्योंकि मुझे तो पता है ऑब्वियसली. जो लेमैन है उसे आप कैसे समझाओगे कि हाउ डज मिरर कॉन्सेप्ट वर्क?
ओके, सो मिरर कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है सबसे इजीएस्ट वे टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आप सामने वाले को मिरर कर रहे हो इज टू आइडेंटिफाई द ट्रिगर. नाउ ट्रिगर इज कि इसने मुझे ये बोला बट मैं तो ऐसा हूं ही नहीं, इसने ये क्यों कर दिया, मुझे तो इरिटेशन हो रही है. तो वो जब आपको इरिटेशन होने लग जाती है, जब आपको ट्रिगर होने लग जाती है, जस्ट नो कि आपके अंदर वो चीज़ है, लेकिन आप उस चीज़ को देख नहीं रहे हो, इसलिए सामने वाला आपका एक मिरर बनता है मेटाफोरिकली, जहाँ पे आप अपने आप को देख पाते हो कि दिस इज हु आई एम, बट मे बी योर कॉन्शियस माइंड और योर ईगो डजंट वांट टू एक्सेप्ट इट. तो आप बार बार जब बोलोगे कि मैं ये नहीं हूँ, मैं ये नहीं हूँ, तो आप डेफिनेटली वो हो.
Hmm. Hmm. And the triggers could either come from this lifetime or either of your past lifetimes. हमें कई बार पता नहीं होता कि ये past lifetime का है, right? That is something
एग्जैक्टली,
which we
एग्जैक्टली.
consciously don't know, but that thing is like if people, if somebody's relationships are not working, then that is a whole soul lessons coming from previous lifetime as well, right? And
Yes.
eventually other things as well, finances also, then health also. So yeah, then how do you explain the concept of soulmates? How do you feel that a person can differentiate between contract and a soulmate?
Okay. So, firstly, I'd like to also bring twin flame journey here,
Yeah.
because I feel twin flame and soulmate, they both are very, very much connected to each other. So, twin
Okay.
flame journey आपकी start होती है. ओके, एंड वो जब आपकी स्टार्ट होती है, वहाँ पे आपको अपने अंदर की मेल एंड फीमेल एनर्जीज को देखना होता है, अपने अंदर की मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन एनर्जीज को हील करना होता है, समझना होता है, आइडेंटिफाई करना होता है. वंस यू फाइंड दैट यूनियन विद इन,
Amazing.
वहाँ पे आपकी ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी खत्म. एंड देन यू फाइंड और अट्रैक्ट द पार्टनर जो आपकी वाइब्रेशन के ऊपर, मतलब आपकी वाइब्रेशन के साथ मैच कर रहा है. दैट इज व्हेन द सोल मेट्स.
Okay.
तो
Okay.
या, For me, it is like this is something that I have experienced very recently, that this is what soulmate means. That,
Okay.
once you are done with your inward journey, that is when you will meet your mate, which is your soul mate.
Okay. uh, our opinion could vary a bit, but I still want to discuss it.
Hmm.
So for me, I feel twin flames are the same soul. Do you feel the same, or you feel that they are different? I feel it's one soul. I mean, the soul blueprint is same basically. Shiv Shakti ki hum baat kare to they had a similar blueprint, except the polarities are different, which is one is carrying more masculine polarity, the other is carrying more feminine polarity. Otherwise both energies are balanced in between both of them separately. मतलब कंप्लीशन की जरूरत नहीं है एक शिव को शक्ति की और शक्ति को शिव की. दे आर कंप्लीट अलग अलग से. बट द polar union is something which is sacred, and like prakriti or purush जिसके ऊपर the whole word exists is something like that. So do you feel that the soul is the blueprint is same at least, or you
Yes.
feel that
So,
it's different?
when you say the blueprint is same, this is what I meant when I was talking about soulmate relationship.
Okay, okay,
Because I
okay.
feel that two souls are finally meeting with each other.
Got it, got it, got it.
Like, of course, it's the same soul, but now they have been, divided so that they both. It's like, universe is making your task easier. तो वो
Okay.
दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. यू बोथ आर ऑन योर ओन जर्नी, एंड व्हेन यू हैव लर्नड योर ओन लेसन्स, द सोल्स आर मीटिंग.
Hmm, hmm,
So
hmm.
I see this as a blessing.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, so true. No, no, it's indeed because that's when you are done with most of your contractual work, and that's the point when you actually meet that soul. Because उस टाइम पे आपकी inner work की journey एक तरह से बहुत high level पे पहुंच चुकी है, and you know it's all about inner work only, right? That ways. So, uh, I mean, obviously you know about journey. So, what are your personal lessons with your twin flame journey, or I would say internal union journey? I don't want to name it, label it, because I think label के नाम पे ना आजकल बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Specifically, I want to raise it right away because आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, people are cheating on their partners, just saying that XYZ person is my twin flame or XYZ. अगर है भी तो do you have that guts to leave your current partner, or do an
Exactly.
inner work and do your inner work and then come in union, or just by chasing one after another person you will keep. I mean, that's an endless cycle now. You can't doing the same repeated things over the lifetime and call somebody as your twin flame, which I feel is not a good notion. इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेन करने लगी हूँ उस टर्म को बहुत ज्यादा उन लोगों के सामने यूज करने से जिनको कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पता है. बट या, आई वुड लाइक टू नो फ्रॉम यू दैट how was your internal union, or it might be still progress. What are your lessons from your inner masculine and feminine union? Oh, I mean, whatever you felt in that process.
In what sense?
In what sense? As in your behavioral wise, or physical sense maybe, or emotional sense maybe, more or less in spiritual sense, how your perspective towards life changed when you got that the inner union is the key to things. That's what my question is. I hope
Okay.
I'm able to explain myself.
Yeah, I hope so. So for me, when I was working on
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
So for me, when I was working on myself, one thing that I have realized about my journey is I am my own husband. I am my own wife. So when you see that entire Shiv Parivar, the divine
Hmm.
family, वो पूरी divine family actually में आप ही के
Amazing.
अंदर exist करती है. So I see Lord Ganesha as my inner child. My masculine is my Shiva, my feminine is my Shakti. So,
Amazing.
not just I'm being a husband and wife to myself, but I'm also being a parent.
Yeah, amazing. Hmm.
You know,
Hmm.
when I see Kartikeya, I see Kartikeya as someone. who I'm going to represent in front of the world, the identity that I have created for myself. I see Nandi
Amazing.
as a channel to tap into my intuitive messages. So that entire world actually exists within you. This is what I have realized. And
Very, very amazing. Yeah, yeah.
this has been so magical, like I can't even express this in words, because when you really get to experience, you'll feel so wholesome. It's like then any relationship that becomes a possibility, not a necessity.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah. The vibe I'm getting from when you're speaking this is amazing. Like I want to compliment you on this. Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
continue. Sorry, I it was like trance for me. Come
Okay.
back. Yeah, yeah. You are saying, which I the line I really like. You're saying anything that comes out of it is a possibility and not a need. That's what you said.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So I think this is the power of that self work or that union of your Shiv and Shakti. And then जब आपको वो पार्टनर मिलेगा ना, वो आपकी चॉइस के बेसिस पे मिलेगा. आप दोनों चूज करोगे for a greater purpose. Not to fulfill each other's needs and anything. मतलब that is just like a candy for me. Because आप already
Hmm.
एक दूसरे में इतना complete हो that you don't need a partner to fulfill certain need of yours. Of course that will happen, but that is not going to be your priority. Your priority is going to be your purpose, that you both are going to live together, like that is of really high and spiritual level.
The greater good
The
for Mother
greater good.
Earth.
Yes, absolutely, for the humanity.
And I think that's what twin flame are reincarnated, because the purpose is that only to work together as a greater good. I mean, in a longer term,
Exactly, exactly.
and that's what they inspire each other for. And that can only happen once you learn your contractual lessons over the period of time, and that's not easy. I would say that that doesn't come easy, because
Not
there is
at
a
all.
all there's a, there's a lot of क्या बोलूं यार उसको मतलब, because I've been through it, so I know that. But जैसे जैसे now if I look back ना, तो I feel grateful about it, but उस time तो it was so energetically draining that I could never have thought that I'll reach to the point where I'm right now. But yeah, that's the beauty of contracts. So yeah, I mean, you said some really beautiful things, but मेरे को पता है कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आ रहा, मतलब मैं पूछना चाह रही हूँ. I would like to know more, whatever you want to tell, because the last thing you said actually made me feel that I'm in trance. So yeah.
I am so honored to hear that and to know that. One thing that I would really like to focus on is that when it comes to any kind of twin flame relationship, I feel a lot many people are actually entertaining toxic relationships. They are entertaining karmic people. They are entertaining energy vampires or narcissists in the name of twin flame relationship, and they don't realize that twin flame relationship is never about that, and that is why your decision will keep on changing. So you will see so many people जहाँ पे उनको लगता है शायद से ये मेरा twin flame है, ये मेरा twin flame है, ये मेरा no, this is not how it works. You will never know who your twin flame really is, because जब तक आप उस जर्नी पे पहुंचोगे ना, आपको वो सब लोग मिलते रहेंगे जो आपके एक्चुअली में फॉल्स ट्विन फ्लेम होंगे, जो आपको लगेगा आपके ट्विन फ्लेम है, but they are not. And I think people should really start becoming aware of this, that twin flame relationship doesn't mean that you have to entertain any kind of toxicity.
So true. I completely agree. That's why I'm saying ना, तुम twin flame के label के नाम पे do not cheat, do not take
Exactly.
abuse, do not take shit, do not take anything के ये तो मेरा twin flame है तो अब ये जो भी कर. I mean, there is a respect boundary. That's what a true twin flame will teach you. Respect, boundaries, consents, and a healthy relationship. If somebody is not able to, I mean, understand that there is 100% chance that that person is not your twin flame. But I would just want to add to one more thing here. We need to be grateful for every person. That's what one thing which
Exactly.
is,
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, people keep on blaming वो जब even I was not in awareness, I was doing that. But I think we need to be very grateful for people who are pushing us towards something which is bigger
बिल्कुल.
and larger. Yeah.
Can I share one incident that,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
this is something that I very recently got awakened to. So जब हम empath journey पे होते हैं, we when we feel that हम तो empath हैं and we are light workers and etc etc. So I met this guy, and when I met this guy, I knew that this person is a dark empath.
Hmm.
Like that's what I felt, and I also felt कि यार कुछ तो connection है हम लोगों का, बहुत strong connection है. ओके. बट विथ टाइम आई रियलाइज कि यार ये बंदा तो डार्क एम्पैथ है. सो स्टार्टिंग में ना वो आपकी जो ईगो होती है वो बहुत डिफ्रेंशिएट करती है कि मैं तो लाइट वर्कर हूँ, ये तो डार्क एम्पैथ है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. बट इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज दैट इट वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हिम टू एग्जिस्ट इन माई लाइफ, बिकॉज एज एन एम्पैथ आप बहुत नाइस गर्ल और नाइस बॉय वाले सिंड्रोम में चले जाते हो, and you
So
have
true.
to accept your dark parts, you have to accept your shadow parts. So that is how that person actually helped me to understand my shadow parts. तो अगर वो dark वाली चीज नहीं होती ना, तो मैं अपने आप में कभी कंप्लीट फील नहीं कर पाती. सो
Amazing.
दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि नहीं, ये जो भी बंदा दिखा रहा है, ये जो भी मुझे ट्रिगर्स हो रहे हैं, दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू एक्सेप्ट about myself. So I have a
Hmm.
lot of compassion for that guy, because that guy has taught me so many things about my own
Hmm.
self. And
Hmm.
at the end, that person is also an empath. But
Hmm.
होता है ना, आपको बैलेंस करना होता है, वो प्रकृति आपको बैलेंस करवाएगी ही करवाएगी.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So
Right.
that's
Amazing.
how I, even though I ended the relationship and everything, because that's right discernment is the key to end any relationship. But yes, that person has been a very important part of my life when it comes to learning my lessons,
Learning
especially
your
as an
lessons.
empath.
Amazing. Amazing. And I like the fact that you said that I'm grateful for that person, like for helping you learn. But मुझे एक और चीज लगती है जो मैं शायद बोलना चाहूंगी. I mean, you could have a different opinion. I feel हर कोई वो कर रहा है. I mean, एक्चुअल में तो हम सब चैनल्स ही है ना. We are working as channels. और हम सब शायद वही कर रहे हैं जो हमसे करवाया जा रहा है.
Hmm.
सो कई बार ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि दूसरा पर्सन भी वही कर रहा है जो उससे करवाया जा रहा है. सपोजिटली वी आर फ्रेंड्स, ठीक है,
Hmm.
आई आई एक्चुअली डोंट हैव अ वेरी बैड इंटेंशन फॉर यू, बट
Hmm.
समथिंग हैपन्स एंड we kind of break up like on friendship level or whatever.
Hmm.
At that point मेरा मेरा कुछ लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ in past, like since childhood. But now I look back and realize कि वो भी वही कर रहे थे जो उनसे करवाया जा रहा था, so that I learn my lessons. So it's like sometimes considering people just as channel either for your lesson or your blessing is really important. I think that ways. कि either a person comes as a lesson or they come as a blessing. There is no third way around. And वो भी intentionally कोई भी किसी को hurt नहीं करना चाहता on a soul level. We all know that on a soul level nobody wants to
Hmm.
hurt you because the soul is contractually involved. So why not to think people as just a channel to, as you said, कि मेरी shadow को बाहर आना था, so
Hmm.
that I balance my shadow. So I मैं मतलब आपकी बात ही बोल रही हूँ, but I feel it like this way. तो मेरे लिए it works this way कि ठीक
Yeah.
है यार, maybe the person needed to be act the way as because they are just a channel. तो इससे पता है क्या होता है, इससे जो मुझे फायदा हुआ, sometimes there are people who are close to me and they don't do the things which are like शायद मुझे हर्ट हो जाए या शायद मुझे बुरा लग जाए, बट
Hmm.
एट दैट मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम आई फील के आई मीन दे आर जस्ट अ चैनल. ऐसा नहीं है कि दे on a soul level want to hurt me. If something is triggering me, again the mirror concept कि
Yes.
something needs to be
Exactly.
changed.
Exactly. So it's like, either it's a blessing or it's a blessing in disguise. This is how I feel.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, you turned my lesson into blessing in disguise. So that's better.
Yeah.
That's better. I agree. I completely agree on that. So I think somehow we are same people. And when you were telling कि मेरा concept थोड़ा different है on twin flames, I was like maybe लगता है there will be a different opinion. But I think हमारा opinion तो बिल्कुल match कर रहा है. There is no
I
no.
know.
So we are on the same page. So ठीक है, हमने relationship की बात करी, but as you are a holistic healer, I want to know like what do you what do you want to recommend to people to start with as a start, like healing? मतलब मेरी healing journey, I did self reiki, उससे शुरू हुई थी, but
Hmm.
I think people should start with inner child healing. But like up to you, you want to explain how should the healing process go?
See, definitely, I feel that it really depends on person to person. Okay, but one thing that I have seen is whenever your childhood becomes a big blockage, especially when you do not have a good relationship with your parents, and वो parents वाली चीज़ आपका सबसे बड़ा block बन रही है आपकी life में, I would really suggest to start with inner child healing.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
once you have started to heal yourself, or let's say you just want to know yourself, you want to know your path and stuff like that, or you just want to heal yourself in any which way, that is when you can start doing reiki. But inner
Okay.
child healing is a must. It's like it creates your foundation to your higher journey. Inner child
Hmm.
healing is just your इनिशिएशन, वो सिर्फ एक इनिशिएशन होता है आपका. उसके बाद तो जर्नी बहुत लंबी है और बहुत
So
ब्यूटीफुल है.
true. So true. Amazing, amazing. So, what all modalities like you do, like for people, like healing people, and is there something that you follow in particular for self healing, like journaling or something like that? You want to share that?
Journaling, everyone should do journaling, everyone. But like if I talk about my sessions, what I do in sessions, it's a mix of everything. It's reiki, it's sometimes tantra. And tantra, that
Acha.
doesn't mean black magic or anything. I'm not talking about that tantra. Tantra is just how you understand your masculine and feminine energy, that integration wala jo concept hota hai. I
Amazing.
work very closely with integration, which is Shiva and Shakti, masculine and feminine. Then, of course, Reiki. Reiki is my favorite, like all time. I cannot live without Reiki. This is what Reiki has done to me. तो मेरी दिन जो start होता है वो होता ही Reiki से start है.
Oh,
Because
amazing.
if you have Reiki in your life, the way Reiki is going to protect you, it's very different and it's very magical.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, yeah, I am a Reiki healer as well. I'm not a master, but I'm a Reiki healer. तो बहुत ही, yeah, it changes. Actually, basically, now you know that the intention is key. क्योंकि Reiki is very much about intention and I mean carrying that energy from universe. So once you start putting that Reiki intention to everything, things start moving your way much faster and manifestation comes much easier.
yes, yes,
Hmm.
exactly.
And what, anything else like you want to recommend? Yeah.
You were talking about manifestation. So, yes, Reiki really helps you to manifest whatever you want to. Like, literally, whatever you want to, because it will tap into your subconscious and your unconscious. So, जो भी आप manifest करोगे ना, वो long term पे manifest करोगे. It's
Hmm.
not, it doesn't work on your rituals and belief ritual, etc., etc. No, not at all. It has a very spiritual meaning behind it when it comes to manifesting with Reiki.
Wow, ग्रेट, या एग्रीड. वही मैं बोल रही हूँ, मुझे ऐसा इवेंचुअली मुझे अपनी जर्नी में थ्रू माय स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी आई फेल दैट intention plays a very real role. ठीक है, you can apply rules to many, I mean manifestation के ये कर लो वो कर लो वो लिख लो scripting कर लो whatever. But if you wake up and you have grudges for people, if you wake up you're complaining about things, if you wake up you are blaming things around, things are not going to work. The more your intention is pure towards, pure of love and light towards people, and you genuinely think that people are good and they have good intentions for you, that's when things started changing for me at least. I don't know about anybody, it did work for me, and I strongly feel that if it did work for me, it works for it, it might work for many of you. Yeah, right.
Absolutely, yes, yes, I totally believe in it. Because ये मैं खुद भी बोलती हूँ कि अगर मैं अपने आप को चेंज कर पा रही हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कोई भी कर सकता है.
Hmm. Right, right. So when did I mean we are mostly towards the end, but when did your spiritual, like when you obviously जो inner work और सब कुछ बचपन से ही चल रहा होता है, but when did you consciously started working on like this journey of healing, manifestations or whatever?
तो एक्चुअली मेरा जो इनर वर्क स्टार्ट हुआ था, वो स्टार्ट हो गया था व्हेन आई वाज इन 7th एंड 8th स्टैंडर्ड.
अच्छा, वाओ!
लेकिन I was not doing it with with spiritual thing. It was like, this is something that I need to work on myself, so I'm going to do so and so things. But जो actually में जब मुझे spiritual चीजें पता चली, the terms and everything, that happened in 2018.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
2018.
yeah,
And that's when your journey started. It's already been 6 years now. That's
yes,
huge. That's
yes.
great. That's great. But yeah, बहुत ही you have such an amazing aura. I totally love talking to you. I mean, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला like कब
Same
आधा
here.
घंटा yeah. So it's the end. So you want to give some message to the listeners and anything you want to say as a last note, and then maybe we can end it.
To the listeners, I just want to give one message to all the listeners, is that in this day and age, we are actually, consuming a lot of content, through reels. चाहे वो spirituality से related क्यों ना हो, but I would really urge you guys to really follow your truth. Because क्या होता है, हम reels देखते हैं and 2 मिनट में हमारा mind influence हो जाता है, चाहे वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ ही क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप्स को लेके क्यों ना, बिकॉज आई सी सो मेनी पीपल आर सेंडिंग रील्स टू देयर पार्टनर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड उस पूरे मोमेंट में, उस पूरी जर्नी में, दे आर फॉरगेटिंग देयर ओन ट्रूथ कि आपके पार्टनर के लिए क्या सही है, आपके लिए क्या सही है. एंड देन दे स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग ऑल दीज रील्स कि ये सही होता है, ये गलत है, सबके लिए अलग होता है. It's as simple
Amazing.
as that. So that
So true.
consumption of so much of content and everything, just be aware of what you are
Hmm.
doing.
And anything, एक और चीज which I want to add to what you said, anything which they say is red flag is not a red flag. It could vary. And anything which they say is a green flag is surely not a green flag, might not be for you.
Exactly.
It could vary. So, I mean, don't उसको अपने relationship को reels पे judge मत करो और
मत करो.
green. But हाँ, कुछ basic सी चीजें होती है which could be common for everybody, and but that also is a personal thing. Like that's
Exactly,
completely a
exactly. Like, you just ask
hmm.
yourself and just see whether your partner also believes in this or not. Because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that it happened with me also. So I was talking to someone and that person was like, so and so. So they were a really famous couple. Okay, they are. So they were like, ये जो couple है ना, ये ऐसे है. So that really, I was like, don't bring any kind of comparison, because you are
Hmm.
not that guy, I'm not that girl. We have a
Hmm.
very different path, a different journey, maybe much more beautiful than what they have, or
Have.
vice versa. So
Yeah, and whatever people are showing is not always true. I mean, I'm not saying that they are showing something which is not true, but it could be. It could be because social media pe you cannot just trust everything which is happening.
exactly, exactly.
Mhm. And yeah, for me also, like for longest of time I pretended to be happy, content, but I was not, right? So if I can do that, many people might be doing it, right? But eventually things like change and things, now I'm genuinely am not pretending to be or happy or like whatever content. But yeah, I mean, there is no such thing that you can trust on what you see. You can only feel
Exactly.
it, right? And you can only feel it while you talk to people.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
agree
and
with you.
yeah, on even there are days when I'm not well, but I'm still putting my picture because that's a part of my calendar. That is what my part of content, because I we work with content as well. So
Hmm.
you don't know what is happening behind the scene. It's just something which is very virtual. So
Exactly, exactly. It's like you only get to see the good parts of a person, and I think that is what also lowers your self-esteem in most of the cases,
hmm,
because the person
hmm,
doesn't know the true you. तो आपके अंदर एक वो
hmm.
constant pressure भी होता है.
सो ट्रू, सो ट्रू, सो अमेजिंग लीजा, मज़ा आ गया आपसे बात करके, बहुत ही
Same
अच्छा
here.
कॉन्वर्सेशन. थैंक यू सो मच एंड विल ट्राई, अगर कभी हो पाएगा तो वी कैन डू सम वीडियो पॉडकास्ट एज वेल. आई डू हैव वन वीडियो यूट्यूब कंटेंट एज वेल.
I would love
That's
to.
Yeah, let's catch up for that too. I would want people to see you too. So abhi to ye wala, let's this has been on audio, but let's see. So thank you so much, Lisa, for coming here, and thank you listeners for listening to us. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. I will see another one. Bye.